Hi, I'm Nishan Chandwarma, student of PGDIM, Golden Jubilee batch of NITI. NITI is one of the top 5 MBA destinations in India, and I chose NITI because it is perfect place to nurture managerial ambitions of an engineer like me. To tell you something brief about my profile, before NITI I have 57 months of work experience as a civil and structural engineer, in which I have worked with L&T for 31 months and with Tata's for the rest of the period. In L&T, I was working with his premier engineering and consultancy division in the power sector. This is a joint venture between L&T and Sargent Lundy of USA, who are a global consulting firm in power industry since 1891. L&T SNL encompassed the complete gamut of power plant engineering and consultancy services, from concept to commissioning. Its experience list includes overseas projects across all continents. At L&T, I was involved with some of its global projects. I worked for the design of a combined cycle power plant at Ashkelon, Israel. It is an 800 megawatt power plant and the largest private power producing unit in Israel. It will cater to 8% of the power requirement of Israel and is expected to begin later this year. In this project, I was responsible for the activities related to providing the structural solutions. I led a team of 12 people and ensured that the project deliverables met their schedules and quality requirements. I coordinated various interdepartmental interface issues. I continuously interacted with SNL at USA and client at Israel to ensure there is no gap between the desired and designed structural solutions. Durad is a truly global project. Contractors and consultants spread across India and US come together to provide solution to a client who wants to build power plant in Israel, importing GT from Hungary, HRSG from Canada, and involving local contractors who might not be as conversant with working with global stakeholders as the other bigger players are. Our job as a design consultant was very important in such a setting, as we are supposed to bring all the pieces together. I interacted with vendors ensuring that their deliverables meet the quality standard and schedule requirements, and I have also acted as a channel between two vendors so that their work, even if independently designed, should fit as a unit. Before L&T, I worked with Tata Consulting Engineers. There I was involved in the design of facilities for steel industry, that is metal and mining sector. In TCE, right after my college, I stumbled into a complex task of designing a utility pipe rack from blast furnace to a primary pump house for Bokaro steel plant. It was a brownfield project and layout of the pipe rack was very difficult. As a trainee, I only had the theoretical input of my college, translating them to reality and getting the design approved by the L&T and their client CET was a Herculean task. This task had every ingredient of a smart goal. I accepted this challenge, designed the whole pipe rack, convinced L&T that it was an economical design, and got approval from their client after convincing them that it was safe design. This was no small feat for a trainee, and I was recognized in the organization for this job. This achievement helped me to be the part of a prestigious RSP project where TCE was helping Tata Project expand Rourkela steel plant to 4,000 MTPA production capacity for sale. I was involved in the design of four-poster structure which supports blast furnace cell from all around. This was first time such large four-poster structure were designed in India, and I was awarded Innovator TC for this work. Looking back when I see my professional career, TC was a lot about the passion and perseverance I showed in my work, and L&T was all about working and managing teamwork. L&T SNL gave me an idea how global corporation function, how they are innovating and adapting every day to meet the realities of globalized world. What is the new trends in design consultancy across the globe are, and how the future of project management is going to be shaped across continents, leveraging the strength of companies despite their geographical locations and with effective and innovative use of technology. Now, relating the professional experience with the things I'm studying now has proved such a revelation. Demystifying the work process to the most lucid of terms was something done by managers there. This ensured that the final output is engineer independent. Although requirements of a consulting project is much different than a manufacturing process, mechanization of the job, at least at micro levels, was undertaken to bring more efficiency in the process. Various leadership style that I'm studying now were very much evident in the working style of the key people there. The wide spectrum of leaders with their people-centric approach at one end and the task-centric approach at the another was on display. Theory X and Theory Y people had real examples there. The professional stint that I had and the management education that I am undergoing now is developing me all round for a new avatar. What are the real problems to your organization? What is the issue about your firm that is keeping you awake at night? Is it a new area that you are venturing in? Standardization of the process that is on your mind? Is it regarding a dynamic team that you want to build? Is it about a new marketing strategy that you are contemplating to spice up your product? Or is it about to go to the market strategy that you are worrying about? Is it about the operation efficiency of a plant? Or is it about the supply chain issues? Or is it about the finances of your company? I am prepared and equipped to take all such challenges. My management education is helping me grow holistically and work across the discipline of an organization. I can be a set to your organization because I will bring to the table my passion for work and my ability to excel in complex situations. Now, regarding my hobbies, I'm coordinator of Speak McKay chapter Activity. I like Indian culture and her music. During my student days at IIT BHU, I had this privilege of exploring the soul-searching music at the bank of River Ganga, listening to Banaras Gharana. With Speak McKay here, I'm planning to organize some Indian classical events at the campus and take this relationship with Indian classical event further. Apart from this, I'm also into sports and I like playing football and badminton. This is all about me. You can always reach me at nishan.verma.dt@gmail.com. Thank you. Thank you for your time.